How to create a Lyft account. If you have recently downloaded the Lyft application and wondering on how to create an account on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this. Now tap on to get started right here. Now to create account, you can simply sign up using your phone number right here, or you can simply continue with Apple and tap on to continue with phone, and then simply enter the code and simply add your name just like this and add your email and tap on to next and tap on to I agree. And now you can see you have created an account on the Lyft. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.